Check this out. Today is May the 1st, Labor Day, and we are going to give the students in this city a non-profit lecture, but no one is here. I mean, no students here. So it's 10:22. Only two teachers. One is very busy, and another one is me. Yes. For this non-profit lecture, we didn't have breakfast, did we? A little bit. She ate a little bit, and me a little bit. So no students here. Ridiculous, right? Non-profit lecture. Maybe they're busy. They don't want to have a class during this holiday. They want to hang out with their friends, family, relatives. So it's acceptable. It's normal. Maybe the time is not good. Check this out. My students' work, and I prepared this and the story. Here, check this. So Ian R. Dowling plugging one's ears while stealing a bell. There's a story, Chinese story, in English, by the way. And this one is sitting by a stump, waiting for a careless hare, rabbit, something. English story. We prepared everything. We borrowed this meeting room. We arranged the time. Middle school in the morning, primary school in the afternoon, English classroom. The sign, and the sign is there. Look at this environment. It's I think it's quiet. It is quiet, but everybody is look at there. There is a canteen there. As the other side of the building. That place is our English class, but it's pretty quiet. Very quiet. Even here they're talking and holding a wedding ceremony. So yeah, here the sign is here, but excuse me, but very few students want to join us. Oh, look at it here. The sign is oh, what a pity. I should put this there, I think. Okay. This part is a little bit empty, so I can put it here. All right. The sign, the stairs, the sign. So everything is ready, except you guys. I want to help you guys a little bit. We want to try our best to help the students in this city a little bit. Even some of them, 10 of them, it's a big city, 10 of them, 20 of them. Yeah, we'll wait because today is the first day, and yeah, I'll tell more in next video. Right, peace guys.